Hello everyone, this is Kirit. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, that is Abhivyakti Training Solutions. First of all, I really wish happy Independence Day because we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. We are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and we are also celebrating that Har Ghar Tiranga, Ghar Ghar Tiranga. So, wish you a really happy Independence Day. I'm sure you are enjoying a lot as a national festival. Before we start the video, I would request, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very quickly. So, let's get started. So, my question to you is, what is independence according to you? What is independence according to you? If you know the answer, you can reply on comment box. I also very curious to know that what is the meaning of independence according to you. Now, I have also one definition of independence. Independence means living a life without influence or being helped from others. Let me repeat. Independence means living a life without being helped or without influence by other people. Now, if you think our education system is really independence, or it is more influenced by British education system, you can think of. Second, are we really able to live our life according to us, or we bound to lots of influences? Let's discuss in details. So, first question is, our education system, is it really independence? The answer is no. The whole education system is influenced by British education system, and according to that, our education system is only producing the servers, and which make you only degree holder or certificates holder, but they will not teach you any skills. And in real life, when you go after completion of your educations, if you go in the market, what skills do you know? The answer you know very well, right? So now what you can do as an individual person to beat that education system, to become real independent person. So first of all, you should detach yourself from that formal education system. Of course, you should not leave, you should not quit the education system, because the certificates and degrees are also very much important. But while you are learning, you should also focus on skill-based learning. Skill-based learning, because that is the real required things. If you go to the market and if you have the skills, if you have the knowledge, then no one can ignore you. Instead of having first class distinction in your engineering or MBBS, you should know little bit of applicability of the skills. You should have little bit experience. How you can do that? Maybe you can volunteer your time in NGOs or social services to learn that people skills. You can join that formal informal courses. They will give you lot of knowledge, lot of skills, and lot of adding value in your life. Second is, are we influenced by other people while taking decision? Are we really independent from the society or our parents or our teachers? The answer you know. Now, what you can do for that, you have to be confident. You need to take a stand. You need to take a stand for yourself. You need to learn the skill. You need to learn so many skills. Let's say, for example, you need to learn that communication skill. You need to learn presentation skill. You need to learn public speaking skill, social skill, negotiation skill, influential skill. Those are the skills which are really required in each and every field. If you learn that, and if you apply all the skills, all the skill set in your life, I'm sure you can live a real independent life. So wish you all that independent life, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till the time, keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you so much.